Welcome to the heart of Victoria, BC, the iconic Inner Harbour. This vibrant hub is a hive of excitement, brimming with maritime charm. It's not just a harbour, it's a historical cornerstone, a testament to Victoria's naval past. From the delightful waterfront promenade, you can marvel at an array of boats bobbing gently in the water, each with a story to tell. The scenic views are simply breathtaking, painting a vivid picture of this city's marine gateway. From this bustling marine gateway, we now move to the grandeur of the British Columbia Legislative Building. Behold the majestic British Columbia Legislative Building, a testament to Victoria's rich history. Its architectural splendor reflects the city's vibrant past, while its grand halls echo with decisions that shape the province's future. The building's impressive neo-Baroque style showcases intricate details, while its stunning nighttime illumination bathes the structure in a golden glow, adding to its grandeur. This iconic edifice stands not just as a symbol of governance, but as a beacon of the city's enduring legacy. Leaving this symbol of governance behind, we now step into the realm of elegance at the Empress Hotel. Welcome to the Empress Hotel, a beacon of timeless elegance and luxury. With its grand architecture, the Empress is a testament to Victoria's rich history. This regal establishment has stood tall since the early 20th century, offering an unmatched blend of classic charm and modern comforts. Its reputation as a luxury destination is well earned, with a famed afternoon tea tradition that is a must experience. The Empress Hotel is more than a place to stay. It's a journey into a bygone era. From the elegance of the Empress, we now venture into the lively atmosphere of Government Street. Step onto Government Street, a lively artery pulsating with Victoria's vibrant spirit. This bustling boulevard is a sensory delight, echoing with the hum of conversation, the clinking of coffee cups, and the rustle of shopping bags. Here you'll find an eclectic mix of boutiques, eateries, and cafes, each contributing to the street's unique charm. Whether you're hunting for vintage treasures or craving a fresh pastry, Government Street offers an experience for every taste. But it's not just about the modern hustle. The street also boasts a beautiful blend of contemporary and historical architecture, a testament to Victoria's rich past and promising future. Leaving the bustling Government Street behind, we now delve into the cultural richness of Chinatown. Welcome to Victoria's Chinatown, a vibrant testament to the city's cultural diversity. This neighborhood brims with an illustrious history, dating back to the mid-19th century, when the gold rush attracted Chinese immigrants to its colorful streets. Walking through these streets, you'll stumble upon an array of unique shops, selling everything from traditional Chinese herbs to handcrafted trinkets. The traditional Chinese architecture, with its ornate gates and red lanterns, tells stories of a culture rich in tradition and heritage. And then there's Fantan Alley, the narrowest street in Canada. Known for its unique boutiques, it's a must-visit for anyone looking to take a piece of this cultural richness home. From the cultural richness of Chinatown, we now wander through the historic Old Town District. Step back in time as we explore the historic Old Town District and Market Square. This remarkable district is a living testament to Victoria's rich past, with its beautifully preserved buildings that lend an old-world charm. Once the commercial heart of the city, today it serves as a vibrant hub for local artisans, boasting an array of unique shops that are a treasure trove for the discerning shopper. Now let us turn our attention to the vibrant Market Square. Known for its lively events, it's a bustling epicenter of local businesses and eateries, offering a slice of Victoria's contemporary culture amidst the historic backdrop. Leaving the historic charm behind, we conclude our journey at the colorful Fisherman's Wharf. Welcome to Fisherman's Wharf, a vibrant floating village that concludes our tour. This isn't your typical harbor, it's a living, breathing, floating community. Picture a kaleidoscope of colorful houseboats, each with its own unique charm and flair. They're not just a sight for sore eyes, they're homes, each with a story to tell. Now, let's talk about seafood. The air here is filled with the tantalizing aroma of fresh catch. Seafood vendors line the dock, offering everything from succulent crab to sizzling fish tacos. Each bite is a testament to the bounty of the ocean and the skill of the local fishermen. The atmosphere here is as lively as it gets. Laughter echoes off the water as locals and visitors mingle. The wharf is a hub of activity, with everyone from artists to marine biologists calling it home. But that's not all. Fisherman's Wharf is also a popular spot for sea lion viewing. These playful creatures are a joy to watch as they frolic in the water, adding to the vibrant energy of the place. As we say goodbye to the vibrant Fisherman's Wharf, we end our journey, leaving with a taste of Victoria, BC's rich history, diverse culture, and vibrant spirit. Thank you for joining us on this walking tour of Victoria, BC. As we leave the lively Fisherman's Wharf, we invite you to become an integral part of our exploration journey. Hit the subscribe button and join our community of wanderers, history buffs, and culture enthusiasts. If you enjoyed this tour, give us a thumbs up and share the video with your friends, inviting them to experience the magic of Victoria, BC with us. There's a whole world out there waiting to be discovered, and we can't wait to explore it with you. Stay tuned for more adventures. Until then, keep exploring. Before we wrap up, we have a small request. If you enjoyed this walking tour of Victoria, BC, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support is not just a number to us, but a beacon of encouragement that drives us to create more such adventures, to bring the world closer to you, one video at a time. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos, so you never miss out on the magic of discovery. Thank you for your support. Remember, the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. So keep exploring,